Abantu abatjha ababotjhiweko bacoce ngendlela baphila ngayo ejele. Abanye babo badosa ingwebe ezide zamacala ukubulala, ukulinga ukubulala nokudlelezela abahlomile. Nanyana khe babandakanyeke ebulelesini ngaphambilini, njenganje bakhuthaza bona baragele phambili ngemfundo zabo ngethemba lokubana bazokwamukelwa emphakathini nabachaphululwako.
I have to make a difference out there, be a good citizen and be a good person to other people.
What I'm willing to do is to partake in becoming a motivational speaker in schools.
Umnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo uthi utshwenyekile khulu ngesibalo esiphezulu selitjha elisemajele.
The number that we have, of course, worries us a bit because there is overcrowding in some of our facilities. But for each and every inmate that gets received, we register them, we develop what we call a sentence plan, so that for the time that they spend with us, they can participate in rehabilitation programs.
Nanyana kunamahlelo wokuhlengwa kwesimilo nje, kodwa abantu banamazizwe ahlukahlukeneko ngokwamukelwa kwabo emphakathini njengabantu ekhe babotshwa.
I think it's 70-30. Yeah, I can't say it does work, it does not work.
I believe that they are doing the right thing in correcting them, hence the word correctional service.
Ngokutsho kwenhlangano ezisebenza ngabantu ekhe badosejele, umthetho uthi kunengi kufanele kwenziwe ukusabalalisa ilwazi ngokuthi umphakathi ubamukele emphakathini nababuye ejele.
The issue of clear understanding of the essence of restorative justice, both from the victim side and then from the offender side and even from the community, is a very critical point which need us as a government to strive forth so that everybody can understand.
Umnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo uthi uzimisele ukuqinisekisa bona inlelesi bezidosejele azibuyele empilweni yobulelesi naziphume ejele.